The impact of Etihad Rail is something which is very, very welcome because that is required. And when we talk about nearshore activities happening in the UAE, that is because the kind of government initiative in developing manufacturing in the UAE, and that is creating a kind of sufficient business for Etihad Rail and the transport and supply chain companies in general to thrive. We're talking about more than 2 trillion dirhams worth of non-oil exports happening. You're talking about more than 18 million containers moving through UAE ports. So that creates a kind of a business model which is perfect. Good for rail, good for transport, good for logistics. Well, we are super excited to have signed 2 major contracts with Etihad Rail. And it is great to be with Etihad Rail right at the start. I mean, that is going to create a lot of opportunities for us as MICCO Logistics, part of AD Ports Group, and having a long-term contracts create a perfect system for us to plan our development across our company. So what we are seeing is initially we have the aggregate transportation, which is already commenced. We are moving a large quantity of aggregate from Fujairah into Musaffa and then in future from other places as well. Now, yesterday we signed the intermodal contract. Now that is a game changer for us. I mean, that is something where you are going to see a large number of container movements happening on the rail across UAE. And as we all know, a rail is where you have the intermediate transportation, you have the first mile, you have the last mile, and that is where we come in as a partners to Etihad Rail. And combined with AD Ports, it creates an absolute super ecosystem which argues well for the future. So we are super excited about it.